Hello guys and welcome back. Hope you guys are okay. And today I'll be reviewing is a rechargeable USB electric lighter. So you see the box there. You got there, lighter. So we'll open it up and you obviously got your telling you a little bit instructions about it, how it works. Then you have your lighter. Then you have this cover case, and then if you lift this up, and underneath you got a USB. So you put this back in here, like that, put it back there. So let's most awaited wrap her away. So here it is, guys. Check that out. Look, nice and slim, beautiful to carry around. So there you have the USB port there, the micro one. You got different colors in these. The ones I got was matte black, but you can also get ice black. You can get a rainbow color. You can get ice blue, ice golden, and you can get ice silver. But all the prices vary depending which one you have. So this one matte black was around about £9.93. So anyway, so this is how it is. It's quite very slim. It's quite nice. Hope you can see how it feels. Absolutely nice. Nice little slim light there, guys. Anyway, so we open her up. Yeah, so you have the on off button. Then here you will have like a battery telling you how much. And then there you go. It heats up this side and the back side. So both sides heats up. And then you just close it. Then you just put it there. Then obviously you got your little USB port. You got USB here. Moves out of the way. What you just do, you can plug in any USB plug, guys. Well, obviously you've got a power bank here. So let's plug it into here. And I'll just put it in there, and there you go. I'm not sure you can see it, but it's off the light, and I'll show you it's charging. There we are. You have the LED lights. That means obviously this is fully charged. I would have been flickering 1, 2, 3, 4. On again. And then obviously you just take it out when it's fully charged, so you don't have to worry about having petrol or having fluid to refill. Pure electric. I'll try to light something up. I've got a that was a bit of a I had nothing else to hold it in, so I've got a donut with some candles in. Just gonna try it out. So there it is. Just press the button there. Heating up. So it's lighting, but that's a strange one, guys. Oh, that's a fail. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, or am I holding it the wrong way? Should I try to hold it this way? I don't know how this works. I'll try this way. Oh, there you go, guys. There we are. So it isn't a fail. There you are. It's lighted up. So maybe I was doing it the wrong way. I was holding it downwards. I think what the thing is, you got to hold it upright like this. That's on it. There we are. Oh, this must be something with this candle. It's quite smoking up. Try this one. The one thing I noticed about this light is it heats up. And there you are. You have another one. So there must be something wrong with this candle. And there you have your electric. Just blows out the way, guys. There we are. So I hope you guys like my review on the rechargeable USB electric lighter. As I said, it can it's quite handy for lighters or cigarettes, and it's double-sided. So you just got double-sided. So thank you for watching, guys. Thanks for all the support for the channel, guys. Really means a lot. And I'll see you again with another review. Take care, guys. Bye.